The overall goal of this procedure is to use the tracked motion of pedestrians to characterize human-induced loads and subsequently to verify the induced structural vibrations.
This method can help to answer key questions in the field of human-induced vibrations, such as the characterization of the individual walking behavior, the identification of the correlation among pedestrians in a crowd, as well as the quantification of human-structure interaction phenomena.
The main advantage of this technique is that it can be applied in situ and thus allows us to analyze real traffic conditions.
In-field observations are the only way to obtain detailed and accurate information on representative loading data. Therefore, they are essential for the further development and validation of the load models used for pedestrian excitation.
Demonstrating the procedure will be Klaus Lievens, Cincin Wei, and Klumka Kasapova, 3 PhD students of our research group, and Bram Gezels, an academic assistant.
Use wireless motion trackers to register the motion of pedestrians. To configure the sensors, use the MT Manager software to establish the wireless connection. Specify the desired sample rate, which should be at least 60 Hz to capture human motion. Then, make slow movements with the motion trackers until they are connected, and then continue by activating the measurement mode. Next, display the inertial data of all the active motion trackers. Now, attach a motion tracker as closely as possible to each participant's center of mass. Robustly fasten the motion tracker.